Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. Welcome to KMZee Academy. I am Mohammed Abdul Azeem and today we will be talking about variables in JavaScript. There are three types of variables in JavaScript. They are var, let and const. Let's begin with var. Var is the old way of declaring variables which was done before the introduction of ES6 in JavaScript. So in order to declare a var variable we use the keyword var and name, use KMZee. So now if you just console log it, and as you can see we get KMZee in the log. So one of the features of var is that if we have to update the name, we can just do it like this, and if you just console log it, I'll just copy. As you can see the name is now updated. And also another feature is we can redeclare this name again. So if I have to redeclare it, I have to use this syntax like I did before, and I have to just console log it, and as you can see the name is redeclared again. But the limitation of this is that if my code base is bigger and I have declared two variables with the var keyword, I might run into problems later. They might coincidentally collide with each other. So in order to overcome this, we use the variable let, which I'll show you now. So this let is declared with the help of let keyword, and it works almost as same as var. If you just run it, we get KMZee. Alright, let can be updated just like var. If I have to update my name, I'll just do it like this, and if I just console log it, we get KMZee1. Okay, but it cannot be redeclared again. If I try to redeclare the name, it already gives me an error. It says cannot redeclare block scope variables. As you can see, we have an error over here. So another feature of let is that it's a block scope, meaning it works only in a block. If we have this if block over here, if you just console log and see the name from here, we get 2 times KMZee. Okay, but if we create another variable over here with the same name, let's call KMZee1 and run it, it's gonna ignore this name and it's gonna have his own variable in this own block. So this log is limited to this block itself. Okay, but if we go out of this block and if we try to console log it, we'll get KMZee, because whatever is in this block, it's limited to it. That's how the let works. Now moving on to const is almost as same as let. It is declared with the help of the keyword const and KMZee. Okay, if we just print it, we get KMZee. Right, but const cannot be updated nor it can be redeclared. So if I try to update it, I get an error saying assignment to constant variable. So basically I cannot update this const variable. Okay, neither can I redeclare it. So that's how const keyword works. And also const is a block scope. It works just like let works. So that's how variables in JavaScript work. I hope you understood something from this video. Thank you and have a great day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.